And no rush. Look at it. Look at the time. Time is so we just went past 2:30. So in another sort of like 30 minutes, it's got to 3 o'clock. Let's check the euro market. Even move that away back to that level. I'm not worried. That's a nice whip, indicating it will give me about like 20 pips downwards. You can enter a trade if you want to. Yeah.
Order filled. Order pending.
Put a stop there.
Order pending.
I'm gonna get out of it. Looks like this whip is stronger, so I'm gonna get out of this now.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
You can see it's keep shooting up. Here we go. So I'm gonna catch it. Go for a buy in here.
Order pending.
The reason I'm doing it is because the euro market is up. Didn't make it in time, but lucky enough I pulled out just now. Save a few pips. By not getting in at that point is a mistake, because that's a good 30 odd pips already from that point. 62. Look at a faster chart, you might have to catch it there, but it's getting close to 3 o'clock, so I better leave it, further away. That's sort of like a lovely whip if there is any proper sort of like shooting style up here. It's heading towards 3 o'clock, and if I'm seeing something like this, then I should move my buy further down, unless you know that. Yeah, exactly. So this is why I'm moving it down. I would say that it can go quite a lot. It can go there, at least. Particularly if you look at the MA, it's a bit like this. It's heading down. It's getting close to 3, and I move my entry point further down. Original, was trying to move in at this point, and it's happened to going past my entry point already. Is a good sort of like 10-15 points already. So I would expect it will sort of move further down before it's sort of jumping back up. In fact, that's a mistake. Originally, I was thinking of placing the order at that level, but accidentally move it up there. So that's all right. It doesn't matter. Might need a wider stop this time because of the fluctuation. Going past 805 is a critical stage. if the price can go beyond 805, then it will be a good news. If it doesn't get past, then I might have to change my stop somewhere there as a safety tag. Change it there, and I'm going to re-enter the market just in case it's actually busted my stop to this level.
Order pending.
Here we go, walk past the safety zone there. So you can sort of move up your stop. Let's cancel this one first because it's going to retrace now.
Order cancelled.
So let's see, I'm going to get a few pips in there. I might be there. So at least you get a few pips, you know. Since it's going to bust the stop.
Order filled.
I'm going to put a new buy tag somewhere there.
Order pending.
I'm going to have a buy tag there. See what else can feel my order there? 91, 21 pip. No, it doesn't. I have to move up a little bit, you know. But leave it like that. Yeah, move up a little bit. Leave it like that, 92, 92. So it's got to at 92, even though 91 can just about make it. So put a stop at, I should have leave it at 92, 91. This is why you don't change, you got to stick to your view. I'm going to set the stop there, have a wider stop.
Order pending.
I'm going to set a stop at 79, just below the extended line there. So if it sort of like busted my stop there, then the next entry point will be at 20755, somewhere around there. Only if you still believe. Only if you still believe. Only if you still believe it is an uptrend. Somewhere up there, 20755. Sort of busted my stop, and I still believe that is uptrend. I might go back there. I will go back there.
Order pending.
And have a look at other chart with the lines there. Might not have a chance to reach that point actually. Really difficult to say. So that's the last try. If it doesn't sort of, if I got in and got busted my stop, then that will be the last
Order
try for
pending.
today in here. Both of my stops. So this is why I was expected, the price to go to that level just now. Might not get there, but but we'll see. It actually went down a lot, to my target. I should have, make the order just now and save a few pips. I think if it's gonna go down, it's gonna go to. It should start heading back up again. I'm gonna set a stop here, just to make sure, it's a bit of protection.
Order pending.
It will go further
Order
down.
filled.
See that? It's filled. So it will go further down. If it's go further down, then I'm gonna look for a spot to get in. If it's gonna fall, then I would expect. I still believe that it will go back up. That's the point.
Order pending.
It's getting close to 4 o'clock. Then the price might sort of bouncing up and down. So it's on the safe side. It's always move the safety tag there. If it's busted your safety tag, you're not losing a penny. That's the best bit, if you sort of go past the price, then you can always sort of make an entry here.
Order
That's how I
pending.
do it. If you believe the price still heading up to the magnet line, it still looks like a sideways market, so there is a strong chance that the price will go back up there. If you look at a 12 range bar chart, sort of it's still very much like a sideways market, so I got a feeling that the price should moving up to somewhere around 20773. Oh, it's moving down now. Okay, I'm gonna bust at my stop. Doesn't look healthier to stay up because you look at the wick at the top, it's sort of one lower than the other. So very likely it's going to bust my stop. You will be better off to get a better entry, from the bottom. So we'll be talking about the entry point around somewhere between that segment. If that's going to bust my stop, very likely it's going to bust my stop. Might consider pulling out actually if it doesn't go above 20757. Very likely it's going to head down. So I've got to make up my mind whether I'm going to cut it now or I'm going to leave it like that. This time I'm not going to move my stop anywhere above this turquoise line because by the time it's get to 4, it will sort of bounce up and down a little bit, So it doesn't worth the aggravation to muck about.